Hello everyone, welcome to Explore with Robin. Today, I'm talking about a beautiful city in Hungary called Győr. Before we talk about Győr, let me tell you a little about Hungary. Hungary is a country in Central Europe, famous for its rich history, beautiful architecture, and thermal baths. The capital city is Budapest, often called the Pearl of the Danube. Hungary is known for its unique culture, traditional foods like goulash, and of course, its warm hospitality. Right now, I'm sitting in the city center of Győr, and it's time to tell you a little story about this beautiful city. So let's get started. Győr is located in northwestern Hungary, right between Budapest and Vienna. Its history goes back thousands of years. The Celts and Romans once lived here. In fact, the Romans called this place Arabona, and that name is still used today's many institutions and local brands. During the Middle Ages, Győr became a strong fortress town. In the 16th century, it was occupied by the Ottoman Turkish for a few years, but the later Hungarian and Austrian force took it back. That's why it often called the City of Heroes. Oh, right now I'm sitting by the side of river. Another thing, Győr is also known the city of river because three rivers meet here: the Danube, the Reva, and the Repka. Right now, when I'm making this video, it's around 2 a.m. and this is the main attraction of Győr. I think it looks like a king bridge in Sylhet, which is situated in Sylhet. I don't know the name specifically, but it's very beautiful at night. Győr is not about the history and legend. It has world's largest engine factory by Ori Hungary. And did you know that sparkling water invented here by Anirudh Jadlik? I'm sorry if I pronounce it wrong way. The same man who created Dynamo. Győr is also proud to have Seçili İstvan University. This is one of the most prestigious university in Hungary where I study right now. Do you want to hear about the story of Iron Rooster? I think the symbol is right behind me. One of my Hungarian fans told me about this story. I would definitely share with you. There is a very interesting legend about the Iron Rooster of Győr. During the 16th century, the city was under the occupation of the Ottoman Turks. They once declared that Győr would only return to Christian hands only when the rooster on the roof started to crow and the half moon beneath it becomes a full moon. Then came the year 1598. At dawn, a brave Hungarian soldier climbed up to a roof, one of the houses. With his temple, he made the sound of a rooster. And at the very moment, the first light of a rising sun touched the half moon, making it look like a full moon. Hearing this, the Turks panicked, and believing the prophecy had come true, by the end of the day, they filled the city. Since then, the Iron Rooster has remained a proud symbol of Győr's bravery and freedom. Last but not least, I would like to thank Katika, who provided me a lot of information about Győr. So thank you so much. I really appreciate your help. Thank you.